Welcome back YouTube, VST here, Valentijn Tech. I just updated my Samsung Galaxy Store to the version 4.5.45.6, alright? But that's even not what this video is about. Of course, every time I do update my Galaxy Store, I also check if there are any other goodies in store for us, and yes there are. So new version of Samsung One UI Home, this time with fixed bugs and improved stability. So yeah, let's hope this is going to get even better, like more fluid and etc. Version is 14.0.023 from the 29th of October, 14 megabytes. Also a new version of Talkback, Find My Mobile, Air Command, Link to Windows Service, also a new version of the Routing Plus, which is actually quite nice because this model also does support now One UI 5 and a nice version of Nice Shot. Yes, with a changelog, delete the do not copy image to clipboard when saving, which is of course also an option. Nice Shot is a good log module used to improve the way you do your screenshots. By improve, I mean customize and even get this done better, faster, quicker. New version also for PenUp, and again a new version of Expert Role. Yeah, it's really Samsung lately are on fire. Image quality improvement and other bug fixes. So this version right now is 2.0.0.3.1 for 149 megabytes. Wow, that's really a lot. New version also for Pentastic, support Air Command compact mode with the S Pen setting, and a new version of Keys Cafe made ready for One UI 5. There are also some new features, support One UI 5.0, symbol layout, etc, etc. And guys, so many new things, but in this video I'm gonna focus mainly on the Samsung One UI Home. I will install it, just try to check some of the animations, opening, closing apps, camera apps, opening, recents menu, landscape mode, vertical mode. Yeah, if you like videos like this and if you're here for the first time, then I'll be very happy to get to know you better, and you can subscribe for my channel, get in touch with me, leave some comments. I try to respond whenever I can. Now we are getting lately many more than 20k subs, so it's not always possible, but I still try to do my best, and I'll keep doing this until I physically can. And if you're a reoccurring subscriber, really thank you very much. All right guys, this doesn't really start so good, right? But guys, let me just check. How can we tell if the version is updated? Okay, by holding the finger like this, going inside settings, scroll down to about home screen, then the launcher will do a version check. Latest version is installed. Let me just see if we have something inside. Sometimes Samsung are just pushing in some updates, and they've been very shy about letting us know. So home screen layout, still the standard. Home screen grid, all right, still the standard there. Up screen folder grid, add media page to home screen, choose Google Discover or Samsung Free, like who choose Samsung Free, but they're fans for everything. Lock this home screen layout, adding your apps on the screen. It pretty much looks like really no new functionalities, but improved stability. And improved stability, does this translate to improved animations? Well, let's check. All right, guys, now what I'm gonna do, I am going to go inside my developers options. What I want to do there, I want to go and choose the refresh rate, so we can just see the refresh rate that we have inside my phone. All right, this is really something very cool, and you can just do this easily. You're gonna get here the indication right now. This means we're running on 20 Hertz. If I touch the screen, wow, by the way, see, response being really very good. All right. Yeah, let's just check this, guys, also with the S Pen. So I'm just going to wait to have 24 Hertz. See? Yep. All right, this is really quick. All right, guys, so now let's just try to see this gesture here. Okay, although it's 120 Hertz, still far from ideal and still really much better when you do it on FHD+. So I'm not sure, but I just think that this is really related to resolution somehow, and I'm just going to do also the same gesture but rotate my phone. See? It's not so flawless, by the way, but it's not also problematic. So okay, now this is out of the picture. Now let's check here animations, Wham, I just get access to my notifications, and now quick buttons. I would say all very much flawless, all right? And also, guys, you can just check the blur applied, right? Some people say it's artificial blur. I don't really care. It looks cool, and I'm not sure if it can really be made better, but why not? Right now, guys, let me just try to open some stock applications. All right, opening the animations. I'm gonna open here the Samsung browser as well. Let's open the calculator. Okay, and now let's open some random applications, not Samsung stock. Okay, let's open Messenger as well. Okay, let's open Facebook. All right, and guys, now let's try to open Instagram. Now, you know, when you open Instagram, all right, and then you access the camera, this animation is not great. I'm not sure why, but see here, guys, it's not great. And I just start to think that this is not really a problem related to Samsung. I just think probably that the Facebook guys, Meta guys, are not somehow optimizing this, because it doesn't really happen with some of the other applications like TikTok, for example. See, when I just do this, and even, you know, flipping the camera, it will actually give me better results. And by the way, that's interesting, guys, but we have to know this and notice this every time you use a camera and have access to a viewfinder. 60 Hertz, I'm not sure why. But see, guys, here, even when I do it like this, it's going to be on 60 Hertz. Yeah, perhaps yes, but I have to manipulate this probably here with my S Pen to just access it all now. All right, I know this feature is a cool one, and I'm not sure how many of you use it, but it's a nice feature. And right now, yeah, I'm not able even to close it. So sometimes things like this will happen, guys, but what can we do? How can we close this? If I just go inside the Recents menu, boom, try to kill it. Yeah, it's now not going to be there. Now let's try to open the camera. Like I told you, 60 Hertz. Let's check the animation. Camera opening, wow. And I, by the way, have the fast shutter, so let's just try. Yeah, see, guys, fast shutter. But I want to share something with you guys in the morning, because in the morning I did some test. I was trying to get the ZSL or the zero shutter lock tested, guys, and it wasn't great. Although you were able to just shoot many pictures, and I tried, by the way, burst mode as well. If you don't know what burst mode is, just open your camera, guys, hold your finger like this. All right, see, now we're gonna make 1000 pictures. How can you configure this? So go inside your settings. You will have to go down a bit, guys, and then there is a special setting here under pictures, swipe shutter button. Okay, so you can use it to take a burst shot, or why not creating a GIF. Also, very, very important, if you are not following some of my videos, camera assistant with the auto HDR, with a faster shutter, and with the very, very important feature to kill the auto lens switching, which eventually will mean that if you go here inside your camera, go to 3x, guys, then yeah, make sure to use the proper zoom camera, which is that one in that case. But okay, enough is enough, guys. Let me just try to test some more animations. I'm gonna open Galaxy Store, minimize it. All right, now it's not ideal. Gallery. All right, let's see what happens inside the gallery, guys. If we just try, okay, it's not really ideal, but you know, I really accepted this, and I really don't think that it's gonna be really fixed. This is really how it looks, and I know there are some people claiming that their Galaxy phones work better than this, and believe me, I have had many, almost all of them, and I know, right, sometimes they do. So the problem really is with the consistency. And how does this translate in a normal English language? So if you do this like 10 times, all right, see, now it was good. So 5 times is gonna be okay, but the other 5 times, yeah, not so great. So consistency would be to have it like 10 out of 10, perfect. But this is what it is, guys. I really hope that you love this new Home One UI update. I really hope it's more stable and etc. And again, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. And please, you and your families, stay safe. VST over and bye.